Dang it. So there you go, guys. My probably the finest set of tongs I've ever made. I don't normally go to this amount of work for a set of tongs. I normally just make something that's functional. rather than super detailed like this. But these are a special set of tongs, as it says in the title. These are actually for Alex from Valhalla Ironworks. It was his birthday recently, and he's also moving a long way from home to a new place, and he's getting set up in a new shop, and he's got a whole bunch of stuff on his plate. And he's been needing a set of small scrolling tongs for when he gets down there and starts doing some more stuff to make a living. So I figured I'd do a special deal for him and make a good set of scrolling tongs. These were forged out of coil spring. It was 5160, so it was a lot more hammering than normal. When you make them out of mild steel, this was 6 times the amount of work. I had a real fun time, designing the, planning out the design of the handles and making them curved and all that kind of stuff. It actually makes them really comfortable. One of the nibs, I'm not sure if you can see, one of the nibs is just a slight bit longer. That was just my offsets were a little bit off. There's actually that same gap is, because there's almost no gap on this side, that same gap is about the length of the nib. So that was my measuring problems and stuff like that. But yeah, they came out awesome. They're really comfortable, and hopefully they will serve Alex well. But anyway, he doesn't know that he's getting these when I'm filming this. I won't be uploading it until after he receives them. But yeah, these are a surprise present for him. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more from me, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification icon to be notified of when I upload a new video. Also, if you want to support the channel, you can just hit that like button and maybe leave a comment saying hello or any suggestions you might have. Or if you want to support us financially, you can support me through Patreon, which the link will be down in the description, as well as single-time donations through Ko-fi. You can also find my Etsy page, my Facebook and Instagram will all be through a link down in the description below. If you want to get in touch with me, you can message me through any of those. Anyway guys, with that being said, I will see you in the next video. Cheers. A huge thank you to this month's Patreon supporters. You guys keep a hammer in my hand and gas in the tank. Keep being awesome, guys.